Okay, students, we continue questions still some more based on integration by parts. Already we solved many examples under this type. Some more we add to that list. This is class number 22. This class is also concerned to integration by parts problems. Right, next question, evaluate. Integration sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx. So first step I, let I equal to integration of sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. And when you recall the topic inverse trigonometrical functions, by inverse trigonometrical functions we know that 2 tan inverse of x equals to sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Better we use that formula. We know that 2 into tan inverse x equals to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So that now I becomes as integration 2 into tan inverse x. In the last class already we have done integration of tan inverse x. Like that one can continue. Actually I could have been given it as an assignment, but even then I am solving. Keep 2 outside into integration of tan inverse x into 1. So let's apply integration by parts with first function as tan inverse x, second function as 1. Applying integration by parts. 2 into first function as it is. What is first function? Tan inverse x as it is. Into integration of 1 is x. Minus integration of, followed by differentiation of first function, that is differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square into integration of 1 is x. Overall become x by 1 plus x square. Now 2 will be multiplied into the bracket 2x into tan inverse x minus integration of 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx. Finally, I equals to 2x into tan inverse x. This integration is in the form of integration f dash x by f of x, whose answer is log of f of x, means log of 1 plus x square plus constant. Next problem. Find or evaluate integration e power x into sin x dx. First step, take I and we rewrite first function sin x, second function e power x. Actually even in this problem you can take e power x first function, sin x second function, does not make any difference for the answer. But even then we shall take first function sin x, second function e power x. So treat first function as sin x, second function as e power x. Let's apply integration by parts. On applying integration by parts, first function sin x as it is into integration of e power x minus integration of followed by differentiation of sin x into integration of e power x. So further I equals to sin x into integration of e power x is e power x minus integration of differentiation of sin x is cos x into integration of e power x is e power x. Here again we have product of two functions. We again apply integration by parts. First function cos x, second function e power x. Let's apply integration by parts. Second time it's the same problem. Sin x into e power x minus integration of in fact we apply by parts. First function cos x as it is into integration of e power x minus integration of differentiation of cos x into integration of e power x. That is I equal to e power x into sin x. Minus bracket cos x into integration of e power x is e power x minus integration of here differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, so minus of minus plus integration of sin x into integration of e power x is e power x. Further, I equal to e power x into sin x minus cos x into e power x plus this integration, what appearing, it is exactly our problem whose value is I. It is I since from 1. Because this is 1, since from 1, that integration is exactly I, but becomes a minus I. Now, this is minus I, shifted to left side, becomes plus I. So I plus I equals to e power x into sin x minus e power x into cos x. I plus I 2i. E power x is common. In the bracket that is sin x minus cos x. You can add the only c or you can add in the next step. Lastly divided by 2. Finally I equal to e power x divided by 2 into bracket sin x minus cos x plus c. Very much similar one, you try yourself. Find integration of e power x into cos x dx. You try yourself. Exactly similar to last case. Next problem. Find or evaluate. Evaluate integration of sin inverse x whole square. Start with I. Let I equal to integration of sine inverse x whole square. Call 1. Before we apply integration by parts, we better first take substitution. Put x equal to sine theta implies theta equal to sine inverse of x. Now differentiate. Dx by d theta is equal to differentiation of sine theta is cos theta, or dx equal to cos theta d theta. So that now I becomes as integration. For sine inverse x we can write as theta, which become theta square. Dx value is cos theta d theta. Remaining, here we need to apply integration by parts, and exactly similar problem we solved. You refer earlier classes, we done exactly same problem. It was something like integration of x square into cos x. Here instead of x we have theta. I hope you will continue yourself in home. Of course you are in home. Already we solved similar problem, but even then I solved with some minimum time. We apply integration by parts. First function theta square, second function theta. So I equals to first function theta square into integration of cos theta is sine theta minus integration of differentiation of theta square is 2 theta into integration of cos theta is sine theta. Further, I equal to theta square into sine theta minus 2 into integration of theta sine theta d theta. That is, I equals to theta square into sine theta minus 2 into bracket. In this integration, we again apply integration by parts. First function theta, second function sine theta, again applying integration by parts. So first function theta as it is, integration of sine theta is minus cos theta, minus integration of differentiation of theta is 1, left out. Integration of sine theta is minus cos theta. That is, I equal to theta square into sine theta. Minus will be multiplied, so minus into minus plus 2 theta cos theta minus into minus total minus 2 into integration of cos theta d theta. Further, I equals to theta square sine theta plus 2 theta cos theta minus 2 into integration of sine theta will be, integration of cos theta will be sine theta plus c. But now replace back value of theta. What is theta? Sine inverse x. Same as what is sine theta? X. So it is theta square. Theta square become sine inverse of x whole square into sine theta means x. 2 into theta. What is theta? Sine inverse of x. Cos theta is root of 1 minus n square theta. As cos theta is root of 1 minus n square theta, sin square theta means x square. That is root of 1 minus x square minus 2 into sin theta means x plus. Like this, any other kind of problems may arise in integration by parts. You people need to solve them because method remains same. Only questions may be different. These coming problems, you try yourself. I solved number of problems under this type. We can test them, which we can verify. You try these some questions in yourself using integration by parts. Similar questions I am giving. You please try. Evaluate. Following. First one, integration of x into cos 5x. I am giving similar problems, you please try. It's good for your practice. Second, integration of x square into sine 3x. Third, integration of x square into e power minus x dx. Fourth, integration of x into a to the power of x dx. Fifth, integration of x power 5 into log x. And in the earlier session, I had done integration of sine inverse x, cot inverse x, sec inverse x. Remaining you try because of same time. Sixth one, evaluate integration of cos inverse x. Next, integration of tan inverse x, etc. Seventh, integration of log 1 plus x square. Write this as log 1 plus x square into 1. Take first function log 1 plus x square, second function as 1 and continue using integration by parts. 8. Evaluate integration of x into secant inverse x. 9th, evaluate integration of x into cosec square x dx. Lastly, question number 10 for homework, evaluate integration of x into sine inverse x by root of 1 minus x square. In this problem, go for substitution, put x equal to sine theta and continue. I hope you will try these 10 problems in home without fail. We have next type 8 problems. Before we solve type 8 problems, we shall get connecting formula for type 8 problems. You write as a note. So let's consider differentiation of some specific function. Write it as a heading note. Consider differentiation of e power x into f of x. And here, to differentiate, we apply product rule. First function e power x into differentiation of fx is f dash x plus second function f of x into integration of into differentiation of e power x is e power x, or d by dx of e power x into f of x equals to. Now in the right hand side, what is common? E power x. Left is f of x plus f dash x. Now let us integrate on both sides. On integrating both sides. Integrating both sides. Left side integration of differentiation of e power x into f of x. Right side entire function integration, that is integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash x. By the definition of integration, integration of differentiation of function is function. Because what is integration? Integration is a process of finding when its derivative is given. So integration of derivative of function will be function, means e power x into f of x equals to integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash x. Rewriting LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS. So now rewriting the signs. Finally, what we get is that integration of e power x into bracket f of x plus f dash x equals to e power x into f of x and plus c understood. So this is very important formula. Our coming problems of type 8 will be based on this formula. And observe this formula scheme or mechanism. You must have function followed by its derivative, and if there is multiplication of e power x, then answer become e power x into f of x. So you must have all this arrangement, then only answer is e power x into f of x. For example, you write. For example, integration of e power x into log x plus 1 by x. At once, answer can be written by the help of that formula. What is fx? Log x. And what is f dash x? 1 by x. So by this formula, your answer becomes e power x into fx, that is e power x into log x plus c. As another example, integration e power x into tan x plus secant square x. And you have to confirm which is the function, which is its derivative. Which is function here? Tan x. And obviously tan x derivative is secant square x. This is f dash x. So it is just like integration e power x into f of x plus f dash x. Answer will be e power x into tan x plus c. Like this, we are going to evaluate type 8 problems. But in the coming, most of the problems, your problem will not be in this format. You have to bring to this format after some grateful steps, like adding, subtracting, whichever holds, using those steps, we have to bring our problem to this format. The only answer can be written as e power x into f of x. Now write type 8 problems. Type 8. Type 1, direct formula. Type 2, trigonometrical formulas. Type 3, substitution method. Type 4, dx by quadratic. Type 5, linear by quadratic, type 6, partial fractions, type 7, integration by parts, type 8, this present particular form. You write type 8 problem. Heading you write evaluation. Evaluation of integrals. Evaluation of integrals using the formula. Using the formula integration e raised to x into bracket f of x plus f dash x equals to e raised to x into f of x plus c is understood. First problem, find or evaluate. Find integration e power x into bracket 1 plus x whole square. Solution. Let I equal to integration of e power x into 1 plus x whole square. At present, it is not in this format. If there were no square, yes. What is f of x? X. What is f dash x? 1. Because of square, that formula right now we can't apply. That is equal to integration e power x into. Use a plus b whole square formula. A square, x square. B square, 1. 2ab is 2a. Observe, differentiation of x square 2x, and moreover differentiation of 1 is also 0. Because of differentiation of 1 is 0, we shall merge 1 with x square to form fx. This will become f dash x. So with adjustment I equal to integration e power x into bracket, keep x square plus 1 in a bracket preferably, plus 2x in another bracket. So that we shall take f of x as x square plus 1. With f of x equal to x square plus 1 implies that f dash x equal to how much? 2x. Because differentiation of x square plus 1 is 2x. So answer of integration by this formula, e power x into f of x plus c. That is e power x into x square plus 1 plus c. I hope you followed this problem solving technique. You can't use f of x as 2x because differentiation of 2x is 2 does not become x square plus 1. So the right choice is that fx is x square plus 1, so that f dash x will be 2x. Next problem. Find or evaluate. Evaluate integration e power x into x divided by x plus 1 whole square. First step, begin from I. Let I equal to integration problem e power x into x divided by x plus 1 whole square. At present, it is not in this format, but we can bring to that format with this adjustment. E power x into, in the numerator, add 1, subtract 1. X plus 1 minus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. That is equal to integration e power x into bracket, separate terms, first term x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Next one, minus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. Here x plus 1 factorial will cancel out. That is equal to integration e power x into 1 by x plus 1. This is minus, but I am writing it as plus. Plus of minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Recall topic differentiation. What is the differentiation of 1 by u minus 1 by u square? Similarly, differentiation of 1 by x plus 1 is minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Take f of x equal to 1 by x plus 1, so that f dash x will become, it is just like differentiation of 1 by x. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So this is minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Hence answer e power x into f of x plus c, that is e power x into, what is f of x? 1 by x plus 1 or e power x by x plus 1 plus c. Next problem. Iterate, find or evaluate. Find integration of e power x into bracket 2 plus sin 2x divided by 1 plus cos 2x. First step, I told that already, no problem will be directly in this format. We have to bring to that format using some good skills. Here we use trigonometrical formulas. E power x into bracket 2 plus sin 2x formula is 2 sin x into cos x. Divided by 1 plus. One of the formula for cos 2x is from previous first year, 2 cos square x minus 1. Another one, 1 minus 2 sin square x. Another one, cos square x minus sin square x. Another one, 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. But here I am using formula 2 cos square x minus 1. 1 cancel out. That is equal to integration e power x into bracket. Also in the numerator we can take common 2. Left is 1 plus sin x cos x divided by 2 cos square x. Does 2 to cancel out. Hence I equal to integration e power x into bracket. After that 2 cancellation we can separate terms because it is just like a plus b by c. A by c plus b by c means 1 divided by cos square x plus sin x cos x divided by cos square x. that is equal to integration e power x into 1 divided by cos square x is secant square x. Here 1 cos x will cancel out. How much left? Sin x by cos x. That is I equal to integration e power x into bracket sin x divided by cos x is tan x. First write tan x, then write secant square x. It's enough to judge that it is exactly in the form of e power x into f of x plus f dash x, because when we take f of x equal to tan x, f dash x will become, differentiation of tan x will be equal to how much? Secant square x. So it is in the form of integration e power x, this is fx, next one will be f dash x. So answer e raised to x into f of x. E power x into f of x, that is e power x into tan x plus still we have some more questions under this type. Tomorrow in the next class we shall solve, and after this we have next definite integrals. We shall meet next class. Thank you.